Welcome to this two-part video from the Carleton University Library on primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. In part 1, we defined these types of sources. One common way that scholars talk about sources is to identify the primary, secondary, and tertiary materials that they use in their research. Using one of the help guides on the Carleton University Library website, we can find definitions and examples of these types of sources. Let's go to the library homepage at www.library.carleton.ca. Click on the search function in the top right-hand corner of the page. In the search field, type in primary, secondary, tertiary. And click on the search function on the right-hand side of the field. Primary, secondary, and tertiary sources is the first result. Click on this link. This brings us to a page that defines and describes these types of sources. Let's start with primary sources. As we can see from this definition, primary sources are items that are directly associated with their producer or user and the time period in which they are created. That is, they are immediate, first-hand accounts of a topic, event, or experience from people who were directly involved or had a direct connection with the topic, event, or experience. Types of primary sources can include public or official records, such as official government documents, personal documents such as diaries and photographs, creative works such as paintings, literary texts such as children's literature, artifacts like pottery and machines, and architecture, including maps. Secondary sources interpret and/or analyze primary sources. They're called secondary because they're one or more steps removed from the event, topic, or experience. Secondary sources can include books, textbooks, magazine or journal articles, histories, criticisms, and commentaries. And finally, tertiary sources compile, organize, index, or analyze primary and secondary sources, and they also tend to be factual. Often, tertiary sources are referred to as reference materials, and these can include dictionaries, encyclopedias, databases, and handbooks. This is the end of this video.